Luxury more than you think. Watch till the end for speed secrets. The Merida Scultura Team greets you with an aggressive stance that screams performance. Its aerodynamic design is evident right from the front, every line serving speed. The integration of the fork with the frame enhances both aesthetics and airflow. Glossy paint with subtle branding adds that pro team look you crave. Not just a ride, this seat hides a race-ready secret. Slide your eyes to the saddle and meet the ultimate blend of comfort and performance. The carbon seat post offers precise responsiveness without compromising on road feel. The ergonomic shaping supports long rides and aggressive climbing positions. Lightweight yet durable, it's tuned for elite-level racing efficiency. The handlebars provide maximum grip even under sweat and rain. The drop bars are optimized for aero positioning while maintaining comfort. You'll love the seamless integration with the stem, minimal look, maximum strength. Every flick and shift is intuitive, responsive, and refined. Grip meets control, the secret's in the brakes. Precision stopping power comes from its top-tier disc braking system. Hydraulic performance ensures modulation that inspires confidence on steep descents. Whether it's cornering hard or stopping on a dime, these brakes deliver. The calipers are slim and light, adding barely any weight but tons of performance. The Merida Scultura side profile showcases its razor-sharp geometry, a pure road racing frame that balances stiffness, weight, and aero efficiency. Internal cable routing keeps it sleek and wind-cutting. From the logo placement to the carbon layup, wheels that fly, stay tuned, they're not what you expect. These carbon wheels are not just light, they're aerodynamic missiles. They cut through wind like blades, offering incredible rolling efficiency. Tubeless ready, they reduce pinch flats and let you run lower pressure for grip. Paired with high-performance tires, the ride feels responsive, smooth, and aggressive. Stay tuned for more luxury content, more speed, more soul,